Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Trump official meme coin on MEXC. Alright, so in order to buy this coin, make sure you're verified on the app. With your verification done, your first step will be to click on the deposit icon you find. So on the home screen, click on deposit. Now you're met with a couple of options to deposit crypto. So we'll be going with the first, which is to deposit crypto you hold outside of MEXC. You could deposit cryptocurrencies like the USDT, Solana, Arbitrum, Ethereum, and many other cryptocurrencies ranging from Bitcoin to others. Now, if you do not have cryptocurrencies outside of MEXC and you wish to get some other than what is available here, you could also click on deposit again and then deposit cryptocurrency via P2P trading. P2P trading is basically you giving out your local currency for cryptocurrency. Your local currency being the dollar or any other local currency would be given in exchange for the cryptocurrency like USDT, Ethereum, or Bitcoin. All right, another option is buying crypto with your credit card. So you could do this with your MasterCard, Verve, or Visa and simply get yourself some cryptocurrency on your wallet with the amount of your local currency in your credit card. Alright guys, so once you've deposited some cryptocurrency on your wallet, you can find the cryptocurrencies you hold on your wallet at the wallet section at the bottom right. When you scroll from the overview to the spot or futures menu, you'd find them there. So once you've taken note of how much cryptocurrencies you hold, head to the home section and where we have the trade at the bottom of the screen, click on trade. And where we have MEXC click on this. And in place of this, use the search to search for Trump. Search for Trump USDT. The one with the highest volume, click on Trump USDT. And in place of limit, select market price. So you can buy at the current price of the market. So in place of limit, click on market. And now enter the amount of USDT you'd like to spend to get yourself some Trump tokens. The current price is 53.8. And all you need to do is click on buy and it's done. So guys, that's how you can simply buy this coin. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.